Hey everyone, welcome back to another live trading session. In this video, I will walk you through today's live trades and explain exactly why we took each entry step by step. So in this session, most of our trades were based on moving average setups. If you have been following our previous videos, you already know how the moving average works. We have covered it in detail before. So as you can see, there's a public group. To join this, you can just click on the link in description. This is a VIP group. To join this, you can just message on our debut on Telegram. As you can see, the first signal was for EuroCAD for the call side for our VIP. Amazing one right here. So in this, there was a resistance level, and we saw green candle break that resistance. The next red candle closed near the same level, turning that resistance into support. And the moving average was right there for an extra confirmation. So this was a perfect setup to buy this trade, and it played out perfectly. Amazing win, as you can see. The next signal was for Euro USD for the call side. As you can see, it was also an amazing win. In this, the market initially broke below the moving average, and the candle touched the ML line, moving average line, and closed above it. That buy trade right here, and again, it played out perfectly. Amazing win. The next signal was for Euro USD for the call side. As you can see right here, in this trade, the moving average was there, and the moving average indicated an upward move, and the candle started closing above the MA line. So we took a right here, and it was an amazing win. You can see, amazing win. The next signal was for GBP odd for the put side. Here it was same thing. The candle closed near the MA line, indicating a potential downward move. That's why we took this as a downgrade here, and it was an amazing win. You can check this out. The next signal was for CHJPY for the put side. This pair approached a strong resistance level, and the moving average aligned perfectly with the zone. This confluence confirmed a reversal, giving us an opportunity to sell this trade, which ended up as a successful sell trade. So overall, in this session, all trades we have followed: clear technical logic, price action plus moving average confluence. That's why these trades work smoothly and consistently. If you want more about how to use this moving average, make sure to check out our previous videos. I've explained everything in depth. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.